no, VIP. Let's kick it. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. This fam's back with a brand new edition. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. I think it's just nausea, daily and nightly. Will it never stop? Yo, I don't know. 6 months from now, and I'll blow to the extreme. Another pick on the mantle. Light up the house at 2 a.m. with a candle. Dance while this baby is baking. Every time I meet